hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Hi, Breeze Concepts. Oh, I'm here. Hi, Kitty. Hi, hi, Taylor. Hi, Shay. Hello. Hi, hi, Ty. What's your name? Is just me. Hi, Jesus Christ. Hi, K Willie. That's pronounceable. Hey, hi, Islan. It's been a while. Hey, prettiest nerd. Queen Lati. Hello. Hi, Chevy. Hello. Okay, so I'm not gonna be on this live very long. I went live this morning. I was hella emotional. Just had to come back to let you guys know. I'm doing, not as bad as this morning, but the steps I told you guys to take. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm on here. Hi, Gabby. Gabby. I would talk, but I'm gonna get this account's gonna get banned, honey. Hi, Auntie Nettie. Simply, hi, hello. I couldn't save that live this morning. When I can't have regular names, not stress me. Hi, Nika. Yeah, I couldn't save the live because it was really emotional, and I don't want to save those kind of lives. It was hella emotional, so I don't want to save it, because when you save those kind of lives, even after people watch them, they still think you're in that headspace and mental space, and I didn't want that to dictate who I want to be and like where I'm going. So I don't want to save those kind of lives where I'm like hella emotional. Yeah, dear. I'm not as emotional, but I don't want to lie and say, oh, I'm feeling so much better, because that's not the case. But I'm doing better than I was, and I'm like hardly wearing any clothes because I'm at home. I have to be hiding like under here. I hate wearing clothes. It's just such bondage. Like undergarments, the thing that you put on to cover your bra, that thing is the devil. I ain't asking nobody any. That's Satan. That was a part of the sin for eating the fruit, but they ain't had time to write down the Bible. But bras are the devil. I can't say it, Aries. You see your face? Yeah, I know, Shay, but you guys are just as invested as I am, so I don't want to like perpetuate that. But I wanted to come live just to talk to you guys. I'm just going to answer some questions. Granted, some of the plan. Not the one more I said. I watch RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm watching All Stars season 4, episode 10. She's a super queen. So yeah. So any questions for me, you guys? I can answer 2 questions. Because those two questions, knowing whom you love to talk and expound. But look at my person getting, well, it's not healed, but it's better. It's better. My lips aren't as swollen. And somebody said that your lips will swell from time to time. I haven't experienced that yet, but yeah. I just love this area. But anyway, yeah, so how are you doing now? Hey, Loki. No, I am not as I was this morning, because I'm just like, screw it, whatever. So I am just like, I'm done. I'm just done, So I'm just done. So yeah. So mentally, I haven't been to my therapist in 2 months, I think. Gosh, I hope my boobs don't come out on this God Almighty live. Yeah, I haven't been to the therapist in, I think it's been 2 months. Half of it is by choice, and the other half is because I'm busier now. And sometimes Mama can't watch the boys for me, so I have to have them. And even when Mama have them, me still stay with Mama, so she can do what she want in the house, and we can set up movie for her, and so, because she know if I set them up. Why you ignore me on WhatsApp? You want I take play to come meet you from us? I had over 150 messages, and I was like going through them. I chop it down to 20, but then it gone back up to like 50 something. I'm like, Jesus, wait, I need a personal phone, because this phone I'm on is my personal number, my business number. And I'm like, how far you need another number? Because there has to be some form of separation, isn't it? Yeah, I'll get back to it soon. Everything is a choice, you know, like everything is a choice, isn't it? Everything is a choice. When life hits you, you can choose to stay down or get up. And in getting up, it's like you have to be pumping yourself to get up. You have to be fighting to find reasons to get up. You have to be fighting. Just fighting. It's just, God, it's just this constant, God Almighty battle to like fight, to stay happy. And this is not true for everybody, but for those of us who have like recurring trauma, we are constantly fighting, isn't it? And I guess that's why people always say, you know, you're strong, because we're still here. I'm not saying doing something alternative is you being weak. It's just that all of us get to that point where we legit cannot go on anymore. We're mentally drained, we're physically tired, we're gaining weight, losing weight, stress eating, stress not eating. So it's a constant battle, bro, just to stay in a good headspace. And then for some of us who are in therapy, it takes money to stay in a good headspace. It's just a battle. And like for people like me, like we can't even have a breather because we have businesses to run, you know. So yeah, low key things. We're just goddamn tired, man. So what helps me is RuPaul's Drag Race. I shit you not. I would rewatch this thing from whatever episode on Netflix, and I'll binge watch everything from start to finish. And I'll still be gagged like, oh no, she better don't. I'll still be gagged as if it's the first time I'm watching it, you know. So yeah, crosses people do that. And crosses people is equivalent to like energy vampires and all them something there that will knowingly and unknowingly attack your mental space like directly, where even if they look at you, you're triggered, or a word, a scent, a memory, you're triggered. So it's a constant battle. Jesus, God, is a constant battle. And that's why the Bible say take mine, you know, because my yoke is easy and my burden is light, isn't it? And then at the point where you feel like, God, I cannot do this shit anymore, him say, okay, I'll never give you more than you can bear. Isn't me? So I think that is like the scripture that's like keeping me now. Like, I'll never give you more than you can bear. I'll never give you more than you can bear. Isn't me? And he's not a man that he should lie, especially with something like this. Like, why would you lie about my mental health, Jesus? I'm sad, I knew, Lord. You know, like he won't. So yeah. Narcissists, yeah. And even with me, because you know, being with a narcissist can turn you, because especially if it's someone that you're with like long term, or if it's your mother or your father or like a close friend, you will draw from that. Because remember that we learn from our environment. We're taught in many areas, our environment, what we experience, what we're taught. So it has a say in our lives, but it's just that I have to be careful that I'm not becoming narcissistic as well. And when I see myself, when I'm having certain reactions that my abuser would have, I'm like, all right, bitch, let's get your shit together, because what you're not gonna do is be that. What you're not gonna do is treat people like that. So I go out of my way to even like explain myself, even though like being single, and you know, I'm like a boy or two, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a little young, but yeah, what sounds cougar mean? I don't know, but yeah. So I'm so open. I'm like, okay, bro, listen, this happened. Okay, I'm not healed. Okay, but I do like you. But I'm not healed, so proceed with caution. and I would tell them I don't want a relationship, or yeah, I want a relationship, or hey, I like you, or hey, I no longer like you. I go out of my way to be completely honest, because I never want it to be said, but oh, come you never tell me this, and oh, but you never yet said that to me. I never want it to be said. I always want to make, geez, my lashes, naru, my nails, Cassie nailed it, piercings, needles, what, anyway. I don't want that to be said of me, so I'm always very open, and in most cases it's hurtful, because here I am saying to you that hey, I like you, which is how I feel, but then if that feeling change, I'm going to tell you, because I feel like if you're no longer drawn to me how you were initially, let me know. Do you know why? Because when you were drawn to me initially, you let me know. So that's my logic behind it. So if I like you, I tell you. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you. If I don't feel it, I tell you. If I not feel it, I'm gonna tell you. You see me? What bothers me, what irks me, is that people, as like human beings, don't have that choice, especially us as women. So let's say I like a guy and I no longer like him, and I tell him he's going to fight for my love, he's going to not give up, he's all those things, and I don't think that's fair. But then on his end, men are taught to chase. Men are taught, is it me? And then it's also like a male thing where I forget guitar, or as a man him I forget this. You know what I mean? Like that guy thing. And I can understand that. That's why I keep on explaining myself. Is it me? So yeah, it's just weird. It's weird being like this. It's just so weird, because men, and even when they do take no for an answer, like them put it down, it's like, bro, why? Is it me? So nails nice bar, nice like basmati, nice bar, nice she. There's nobody like nobody. Damaged, yeah. And people don't like to hear that word damaged, but if you broke a cup, is the cup broken? If you broke somebody's window, is the window broken? Okay, can it be fixed? Yeah, it can be, or maybe it can't be. I don't know. When you put the pieces back together, is it the same how it once was? No, unless, this is revelation, honey, unless you gonna like melt that shit all the way down and like rebuild. Is it me? So for some of us, we're in that melting that shit down phase and rebuilding. You get what I say? So yeah, we're broken, and yeah, we're damaged, but we're in our melting down shit phase and we're rebuilding, because we don't like to stay there. I feel like as human beings, we don't like to stay there. And speaking from my own experience as being female, and speaking to other females and interacting with other females, we don't like staying there. We don't, you see me? And I guess it's our nature, irrespective of race or creed. That's our nature. We don't like to stay there, you see me? The boys are doing well. I posted a video. The audio brought me to tears, but I chose that video because of Jonathan did the sit-ups, right? And Jalil start ball and fight. Same on the sit-ups too. I'm like, okay, Jalil, come. Jalil is a fighter, hands down. You see me? Hands down. But what calms Jalil is love. It's so weird. Jalil with tom crab bite. But if you leave him and hold him will lick you and then just rest him head on you. Like that's how he is. He's such an affectionate little human being. He's like, as much as he's aggressive, he's affectionate. You see me? So my job is to help him understand like the middle ground. Yeah, he's 2. But train a child, and we learn things at a very tender age. Their brain is still being developed. They're still learning, and I don't want whatever is happening to affect his growth mentally or otherwise, or his social interactions. I don't want that to happen to him. Is it me? Especially Jonathan. Jonathan is the protector. Jalil is the warrior. Is it me? So, so yeah. So the boys are fine. They're by grandma. I told grandma I was leaving, and she said, why? I'm gonna say, Mama, I can't stay. And she said, okay. And she understood, and she come and she said, Simone, how you doing? I said, boy, Mama, just there, I'm charge you. Is it me? But I'm talking to you guys now, so There is beauty in the melting down. Sometimes when extreme is added, the composition changes. Yeah, and I was watching a show, and I was watching Jesus with orcs. What is it with orcs? Jesus wept, and the magician and the wizard. Jesus wept. What? I forgot the name. But she looks like a human, but she's human. She has like the orc teeth. Jesus wept. If you know what I'm talking about, it's on Netflix. What is that flipping show called? But I was watching that, and she said that broken bones heals the strongest. And I was like, bitch, you man. Broken bones, like in that area, it heals stronger to kind of protect that area should it happen again. So even your body, even your body is saying, hey, it may happen, but bitch, we ready. Even your own body is saying, this happened, but hey, if you want to pop off, I'm stronger than ever, you know? So, yeah. Hi, Chucky. No, it's not Lord of the Rings, bro. It's not Maleficent. No, it's on Warcraft. Bro, whenever I watch movies, cartoons, I never watch surface level. I'm like, okay, I see you. Warcraft. So if you want to watch it, you can. I love fantasy movies like vampires, werewolves, orcs, witches, mermaids. I love those kind of movies. They're so real to me. I love those kind of movies. Fun fact, I cannot watch zombie movies because in my mind, that shit's real. And every time I watch like a zombie movie, I get this uneasy feel like, this shit about to happen right now, isn't it? Somebody done messed up a vaccine. We all gonna die. That's the feeling I get. I cannot watch zombie movies. It literally makes me afraid. And a dopey movie, I'm afraid. Not dopey movie, you know, with spirits and them something and then zombie movie, not this gal. Never that. Yeah, on Netflix, Warcraft. It's so cool. It's such an amazing movie. It's such an amazing movie. But I like those kind of stuff, and I love comedies too. But I love those kind of stuff. Ew, naturally Hyacinth. How could you love the zombie movies with the apocalypse? Like, The only zombie movie that I watch that doesn't give me, it still gives me fear, but not as much, is the Will Smith one. Jesus God. But no matter, Will Smith and him one dog, and him dog did a zombie, or if he killed the dog. God of grace. What? That one. That's the only one I've watched. That still makes me afraid. But I'm like, You know what I cannot watch? The zombie movie with Brad Pitt. I think it's called Zombie. With Brad Pitt. That movie, baby. That shit just made me scared, honey. Not Men in Black. I Am Legend. Yes, Miss Chrissy Kane. I Am Legend. Bro. And y'all know they're doing vaccines now, right? I'm just saying. If y'all fully vaccinated, I'ma watch y'all. I ain't playing with you. I ain't playing with you at all, honey. Yeah. World War Z. Chrissy! That is it. World War Z with Brad Pitt. Bitch. Bitch. I can't watch that shit. It's too much. And then the only people that were saved in that movie were people that were already dying. Like, I think that must say some disease that were killing them. Those are the only ones that were safe. So if we're gonna catch something, when I say, can't. Walking Dead under your sexy tanika. Listen, no, never that. You're mad. Are you, bro? And every time I scroll let's go to the horror section, Netflix is like, hey, Walking Dead. I'm like, nah, bitch. You saw it. Scroll. Walking Dead. Netflix. Me tell you about your mother. No. Turns off TV. Yeah, stress me out. Netflix. Yeah, stress me out. The answer is no. No means no. I can't. I don't know what ended foolish. Even about Walking Dead nice. No. Woo! Vampire Diaries. Sexy Tanika. Then almost go with everything. When me eat about Vampire Diaries, they look a careless girl who have a man for survive. Me eat them. Somebody do something to me. They do something to the strong female in me. Me eat it. Oh my gosh. Her and Bella. I'm like, bitch. Even when Bella, I'm talking about the, wait name? Moon. Full Moon. The vampire will glisten. Full moon, the vampire will... Oh, shit. I don't know exactly what I'm talking. Full moon, the vampire them will glisten. I actually love the werewolf and the shittos. Twilight. 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 That shit pissed me off. I'm like, Bella, I want to transfer my cat on for yourself. Everybody protect Bella. I hate that theme where like everybody is surrounding this one person to take care of. So no, I'm like binging on Shadowhunters. I'm like, this redheaded bitch. If you don't get your shit together, ma'am, I'm a heifer. Everything surrounds her. And it pisses me off. It upsets, it irks me. I'm like, there's no other narrative that can be done, writers. No one has an original thought. Huh? Granted, me can't do your work. I'm not get nowhere near your money. But no one has an original thought. Everybody just need a man, need man. It upset me, you know? Like that. That is why Xena, the warrior princess, will always be that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. The baddest bitch. Because man work, granted, she did, you know. She was a part of the LGBTQ, IAA, ZP, Octagon, Circle, Square. I don't know. But she was a part of that community. I'm like, bitch, okay, I see you. Doing shit for yourself. That was cool. That's cool. I hate when the pit superheroes like have like a love interest because nigga, I'm saving the world. Can you imagine a woman upon our period if I can save the world? World dead enough. That would me Clark Kent. I'm gonna save a girl. Clark. I would put kryptonite in your food and you don't know me, na Clark. I sit down like powder until it's a season. You don't know me, Mr. Kent. Save where? And hold on yourself flood out. Don't do this. Clark now go nowhere. Put on my glasses. You're not going anywhere. Sit down. Right. I'm there. Bleed out. What if me blood cleanse? Suppose the Clark will go breed me. Go see a war. Please to fly me to the hospital. But Simone, they have none. Then have the baby in the Clark, you know, Superman. Fly me to the next planet, please and thanks, bright. If Earth dead, you can make me hype in the dead? Clark, yo, bro. Clark, who you want? Me a baby at the world. The world not breed for you. The world not have a baby. Pick. Bright. Go save world, I'm there. I breed. Can you imagine? I'm emotional. Me have to take folic acid like Skittles. Are you mad? Are you mad? I forgot doctor apartment. Yeah, are you mad? Clark, sit down. You know, my car Batman for you can now worry, right? I don't like that. I'm not about Clark. Clark, nah, I not think. They shouldn't be in a relationship. They should just be focused on saving their because we're so horny. The filmmakers like, we have to put some form of sex in this. Oh my God, are you sure? Because these are pretty busy. You have to put the sex in it. They're not going to watch it. And the truth is probably true. Because if you never know, I'm going to say, so Clark can't fall in love with what? Love a theme kryptonite? Them can't please him. My apologies, writers. Don't want to. You can't please everybody. But please make everybody stop they up. Everybody just stop make them there. And why one the woman can't breathe? Them just can't have to just choose for don't have no picnic. But yeah. You hate mushy movies, bye. Give me a notebook. Any day balling up. Oh my God, yes. Bitch, kiss him. Oh my God. Lord, I want that, Jesus. I want that, Lord. In the red, give me pneumonia, baby. Kiss me in the rain. I want pneumonia. Yeah. I want it. Shivers, fever, yeah, baby. Give me pneumonia, I'm a choke. Give me pneumonia. No, because like the best. I ain't saying nothing. The best romantic movie, hands down. Titanic was a memory, and the old woman will get certain things out, so I'm gonna trust it. And she got dash with the drool, and at the end, leave them don't trust you. Why that shit? Well, I tell. Scammer, I don't trust her. Like the world, made them in a lifetime. Yes. Every last one of them. And them ever had kill over some penis. I'm like, miss. So penis done. Them stop with your one. You're man of the last one on the earth. You're mad. Granted, those women have been wrong. They're like, bitch, I'm gonna get him back. I'm like, all of them for lifetime? Give me a break. Not one strong in a lifetime. And she's strong, because she have to kill her man. But I like that. Stress me out. And everybody know that not it. Everybody knows that Jack could have more than blood cleanse all. She's selfish. I don't like that. And she have the nerve for go breed. Go breed? I don't like that about Rose, because she would have more than all. Penis will always not eat that, which makes you wonder. Hold on, Mischievous said, oh no, it would have went down with their weight. Two of you are dead. How about that? Compound with Joan together, my only and a shake. Check. No, what name? What my man with the name? My man name. Eduardo, yes. Eduardo. No, not Jamaican. Eduardo. No, I'm cool. Eduardo. Simon. But box side up on the board. I'm say I couldn't. All. I wanted to die with you, Eduardo, your mother. True, man, now go over Rose. But the your said, don't go over, baby. More penis out there, good there. Don't go over. Rose, man, no, go over now. Eduardo, if I go dead, come here. Eduardo, what do we have to tell the tales? And truth be told, I'm me alone can't breathe into the situation. So, I think we know who has to go. Eduardo. Yeah, I forgot that and stiff out and drawn an icicle up. What I would do is never have another frozen treat in my life in honor of Eduardo, because my man dead from frozenness. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna disrespect my man like that. Beer wanting soup, tea. If them give my ice cream, make sure you look at the microwave, but now this is my man. Straight, light to the end. Whoop whoop. Yeah. Make them my ice cream. Not my Eduardo. I'm a man, you know. I can't make Eduardo dead, because I name dead frozen. I'm gonna have frozen treats. My aunt, listen, then I'm gonna breathe for the next man. No, son. There's something you can tea, warm, room temperature water. I'm sorry, but I no ice. Stop freeze ice, because I'm gonna cut out the freezer part of my fridge. My man, that's Eduardo. Baby, nah, this a baby. Never that. Never that Eddie. I'm gonna call him Eddie for short. Never that Eddie. Never that. That's weird. No. We Eduardo salt narati, because I'm not go over. So really and truly, I respect Rose. Look at that. I respect her. I think it's because I did drama in high school, and I did what I was really good at was drama and music. Like, I was never one for like athletics or like traditional English, math, geography, science. Drama, I won at Bridgeport High School so many trophies, so many certificates, so many medals, bro. Like, when me go up on stage is a whole thing. Ashley from Bridgeport, Ashley Oats, Yellow Oats, yeah girl. And me and Siobhan, because Siobhan did in a Carnegie, and me and Siobhan ever are competing against one another. Is it me? Yeah, that's it. And that was for singing, because you know Siobhan sings, but yeah. Yeah, it's me naturally. Yeah. Which is why my personality is like this. Which is why I go from like one extreme to the next. You understand? I don't know, yeah. And then Jaleel is like that as well. As I tell you, as much as he's aggressive and like a warrior, he's equally as sensitive, understanding, and loving. Equally, bro. Equally. Lyric, because he used to talk to, you know, someone I know, but I believe. When I was younger, I used to pretend that I was a witch, because the witch movies I used to watch on TV were very, very wholesome. Not like, it's more like, you know, them one, they were nice, regular one. I said, oh, I want to be a witch. So I remember one time, I have one black 19, I made one black something, I went up and down on my broom. When I did little, boy, I did fool, I'm never Caucasian. I'm not a Caucasian behavior. I shouldn't do that. But we used to do it because to me, like, witches are magical. They weren't like this demonic entity. They're like, oh my god, I want to be a witch, and that's room on the broom. Man, not ask guys. That's where I come from. No, bear which we're no sir. Up on TikTok. TikTok. There's nothing to be tampered with, my guy. That's also why I embrace my bipolar disorder. Doctor can say what they want say nothing. First of all, not if you diagnose, baby, just listen now. If you diagnose, but in the other hand, if you have hella fun, life short, you know, Natty. Life very short. It's short like one hand step. You ever play Madam AI? Madam AI, yes. Take one hand step. This dirty stinking girl. One hand step? You're not even move. Are you aware? Hey, and when we are the one hand step, wait. I'm gonna put down the phone. When you are the one hand step, you know, I just do for one hand step. Go back, go back. I never see one hand journey. It's one hand step. Miss, you cross the canal, you go get there Bermuda at this point. It's not a hand step you don't move. But when you play Madam AI, blows and skirt. One hand step, reach my mother a long time. It, yeah, it, no, me reach, yeah, it. Madam AI was the shit. So me and teach Jonathan like my kind of games like Madam AI, I want you to realize. Some to Jonathan near time from Madam AI. Mommy, no, it's not Madam AI, it's Son May I. So me say, Jonathan, no, the game is called Mother May I. But mommy, I'm your son. Is Son May I? Must stop. Me say, you see your logic? Your logic? Excuse me, your logic is law. So me and Jonathan play Mother May I and Son May I. At this point, we're going to call it May I. Because Jonathan refused to say Mother. Me have to say Son May I. Son May I. I can't fight him logic because he's not a mother. He's not I don't know Emmanuel Road. I only know the song, go down Emmanuel Road. Galang boy, figure broke crack stone. I don't know the song. That's a game. It makes sense, Tiffy King. It makes a world of sense. I'm like, I boy put out of my school now, Madam May I? Yes, you may. Big tick, great man. Boy, yes, you may, as Madam May I. But Bomoa, I teach him Chinese skip. Berkey shot. Chinese skip was athleticism at its finest. When the rope, they skip the upper side of your neck, I jump and step on them two there. I would have blood cleanse. They can't. Bro, Chinese skip. Blood cleanse. All dandy shandy, it tested your flexibility. Because when me I played dandy shandy, it's a blood cleanse. I hope my boob not going to fall out. Jesus, my baby, please protect my breasts. When me I play, I'm going to pull down my clothes. I'm not dressed for this. I have played. Cock up is at 10. I all I want you so. I go so. So. What you say? I want to see the ball come here. You try guess what them are going to. What you say? You're not flexible like me. Which dandy shandy? I'm a my love the boaty. Because he's my own team. I am boaty. Boaty, two of them. A pic of my nails. I will, boo boo. I will. Those games were games, bro. Games. Those games were fun. Album pan wall. I never understand marble ever. I was never a marbler. Boom pan wall. Oh my god. Come to think of it, boom pan wall, Chinese skip, dandy shit, much position that. But I digress. I digress. Bendong stocky. God damn. What is something name where you used to base? What name? Base? When you use the ball for lick the person if you run to one base, what that name? And a stuck and pull. I don't have the ball and you lick somebody and listen to the base and then they might eat if the ball lick them. What that? Remember the name there? What the foremost of your Jamaican? What is double dutch? It named skipping. Skipping foremost about double dutch. Skipping. Oh, Baseball? Trishy, are you American? Baby, we never yet call that baseball in Jamaica. Me I tell you that. Sticky slash baseball? No, Dandy Shadow one you true. But you have one or you have to pan base, man. Right to the baseball? A baseball? A baseball for you though. Okay, you have the ball, you have to run pan base. A baseball. Yeah, pushing my nose ring. Whenever they want to do it, I can take somebody got my nose. Come here. Hit. There we go. Thank you. A baseball, but around the bound. RJC. Oh, we going high class primary school, top tier prep school. That name the long. A baseball don't stuck on base. Stuck on base. I feel like stuck on base or something. Butter pancake. But no, butter pancake is our version of baseball. Butter pancake, when you butter it up and then you boom with your hand. Shit. We need stuck and freeze. No, stuck and pull. The one named stuck and pull. When you eat, you have to bend down. So anyway, them liquor, you have to freeze. And your friend them to everybody on one base. One big dirty tree. So I went to Richmond Park Preparatory School. Shout outs. So yeah, you have one big tree and everybody on the base. And then you have to run off. Zin. And anyway, you're stuck. And you can run back at the base. So that's a stuck and pull. Butter pancake. I feel like a butter pancake. Is it a butter pancake or a baseball? For real. Stucky. Volleyball. Girl, volleyball are fun people. Yeah, we play volleyball, but not in prep school. Play volleyball when we go to Bridgeport, but not at prep school. Stucky? A stucky name? Pandy base name. Sally, that's not like one dance. Pandy base. The girl can't lick your face. Pandy base. It's not like one dance, when I lie. Stucky pulley. Chris Kissy. Stucky pulley. Guys, I better shit to a chat. Stucky pulley. A country school, I go sticky. Sticky, I go country school. Everybody sticky, I go country school. Everybody sticky, I go country school. Sticky. 1, 2, 3, red light is the shit. Jonathan always wins and it pisses me off. I can never catch that little boy. Which makes me wonder, so you are a scammer. From where do you hail? You have to be a scammer or a Russian spy. Because when Jonathan plays I play 1, 2, 3, red light, but don't see him. And I'm always fret when him reach, because when they don't do something, I say, 1, 2, Jonathan, you scam. Jesus, always. I feel like a baseball for you. Batter around the boundary. Joy, come go up. Joy, Bell, mommy, come go up. Come go your bed. Bed and go your bed. You're not getting no dinner. Bed and go your bed. And put the chimney on your bedside. Because you know you love people at night time. Bed and go your bed. But a baseball for you though, absolutely. I feel like I don't for you. Second freeze it name girl. Humble girl 25. Stuck and freeze. I don't never play again with stuck and freeze. That I'm gonna sign. Stuck and freeze. Bullet a pen can't come out. Bullet a pen. What can I pen this? Iron pen. And my hand weak like a noodle. Iron pen. What can I pen this? Do the pen. And I don't want to do the pen enough. Say the pen that. Lord. And in my mind, her hands were literally made of shit. So in my mind, me not touching no doodle. But me sure that iron come here strong, y'all. Yeah. Do the pen. Bully in a pen can't come out. Bully in a pen can't come out. What kind of pen this? Iron pen. What kind of pen this? Board pen. Bully in a pen. You nah come out. Simon said. I don't like Simon says. It's too political. Come on, for do what Simon said. Pantapa Madam I stress out. If that is not abuse of authority, I do not know what is. If that is not abuse of authority, I don't know what I don't see a regular game. But Jonathan has to be a Russian spy. So Jalil is the leader of the Japanese underground syndicate. I was telling you guys about, like, he oversees like the war crimes, stuff like that. He does that. You know, but Jonathan, he's the Russian spy. Because when me and Jonathan play hide and seek, Sometimes it's very obvious. Jonathan on the table and Ali at the tree them move. And I say, Mommy, you can't find me. While me I look for him. And then sometimes I'm like, this boy done vanished. One time I play Jonathan, I'm going to start Fred. Jonathan, and him not answer. Jonathan, not answer. Jesus Christ, I will play a Phoenix. I go to the door, I look on the back. Jonathan, they right there, so. Right there, so. With a right there, so. Right there, so the boy. Right there, so the blue curtain I eye. Right there, so. Curtain cover him up, I'm gonna know. I'm gonna know, I'm gonna come here. Whoosh. May I get vexed? Don't do that again. Oh, come here. Make it praise, my worship. Upscotch for my upscotch for fit girl things. Cause when me throw my stone, so girl. Upscotch for life. Upscotch the butter. Upscotch basil. Hey, nothing new, but I'm gonna tell you doctor about purple touch and inches. I did purple touch and inches in high school. Darn, we were very, very horny in high school. We were. Purple touch. Purple touch. I'm a cream. I'm a Jason, I'm a cream. Why am I tell Jason specifically? Why am I tell Jason specifically? Purple inches. Inches go again. Remember somebody roll up my skirt, but I remember how inches go. If you don't have any cream, is inches. B word. Cocoa bird. B word. I some blood need box miss. Fukum. War broken up. Because I see B word. Spin the bottle. Formosa, please go by your plane and go back to your country. And by country, I mean here. Come home. It don't name spin. We don't play spin the buckle down here, Formosa. We play purple touch. We play mom and dad. Like regular ornithines. What else we play? Inches. Like regular ornithines. We never spin the buckle. You're mad? Never that. Used to play grabbings. Oh my god. Starana grabbings. Jesus. No wonder we're so traumatized. Grabbings? At least purple touch have a little bit of touch. Grabbings? Is that touch? Purple touch. Grabbings. Why am I want to play grabbings? I don't know. Country people don't play them some. Country people alone play them some. I'm not country people alone play them some. I'm not chat. Your country people. Snake and ladder. Aries. B-box. Baby in name B word. Where is prettiest underscore nerd? The word is beard, not B-box. Doesn't make no sense. It's B-word. I remember when you say ID cream, I say, Bumba, bicycle, I'm a cream. I mean, some box in the Havana cream, I'm not business, my box here. I said, first of all, we're not going to abuse this privilege. I'm going to box here just for teacher lesson. I'm going to box here for teacher lesson. Don't. Right. Grabbing is when someone eating wants to grab it. Oh my god, I thought grabbings was a horny game. Ha! Safe to say I never played grabbings, because if I ever played grabbings, then I forgot be deadings. Because what you not gonna do, I grab up my meat, and everybody knows say I always have a meat for last. Everybody does this. This is a known fact. Especially in Jamaica, it's a known fact. I save my meat for last. Known fact. And when them always choose for grab the meat. Or if I play deadings, or if I play resurrectionings, or if I play funeralings, or if I play casketings, if I play maddenings, all of them. What is water commission? When the people yourself? Right now, guys, this memory lane, I'm lost. On this memory lane, I am lost. What is water commission? Dan the shandy for my mama. What is water commission? Gribbit biggest meat, you must say ratatata. Please tell me. The rata no one game. I want to fling a teeth on her all stop. I say rata. Take my old teeth and give me new teeth. That was our version of the tooth fairy. God damn, we were ghetto. So regular rest of the word of tooth fairy. that carries the tooth and gives them money. We body him up. Rata seat, more about my teeth. Plain and simple. How you mean now gonna give you money for what belongs to me? Dirty tooth fairy. More on my teeth. See the old one there, give me a new one. It's my gonna tell my mother. Right through. Period. Menstrual. That my gonna say menstrual. Blood. That's all menstrual. Yeah, give me my teeth. Drink water till the person says stop. You dead enough? God. Yo, that's why my generation is so traumatized, triggered. Forcing you to drink water? Forcing you? Drink till you say stop? I like that blood cleanse. If you don't have any cree, you have to drink water till the person says stop. What? Water commission. Truth, yeah man, truth are there always. But I'm such a scammer. I can always go around truth or dare. So truth or dare, truth. Is it true that? Or truth or dare, I dare to tell the truth. Scammer them there. What a war not say. When you used to mark up on your uniform. Yeah, that was the shit. That was our yearbook. I don't know if you're like in the Caribbean, but yeah, that was our yearbook, our uniforms. And you can't wash your mud. I'm friend of mud from a uniform. Never wash, never that. What a war. Remember bike skate? Me used to love it. Bike skate? God, Kidian, wait, the St. Elizabeth? Which country part from Jamaica are you from? Okay. God, that was like a town game, Kidian. That's one very country. Rural, you know, if you will. Bike skates, Kidian. Your girl in uniform. Everybody knows I don't know how to say uniform. The word is clearly uniform. Cause from my yard is uniform Avan. I have Avan and bloomers. Cause clearly all of them involve skinning out. Why? Dandy Shandy, Chinese skip, run up and down. Why all them involve skinning out? Anyway. Yeah, I have Avan and bloomers are in uniform. Right, so. Wheel and what? No, it can whoop. Come pipi and guy bed. Wheel and what? Wheel and wire. No wheel and wire with the tire and the stick. That's your talk. But no, sir, country come from the kid, and from Mr. Bike, I said, no, country girl is a country girl. That is not something. It's not a thing we do here in town, Kadian. We don't have those barbaric games. We have like vehicles in town. I don't know if you have that in Mandeville, but we have like cars, electricity, running water. Yeah, that's what we do in town. You should come by. Mumalashi. What was Mumalashi? Remember the name. That's when. Jesus Christ. Guys, I want you to seriously think about these games and how they are directly linked to our traumas. Alright? Mumalashi. Mumalashi. Spin and gig. Under the apple tree, my boyfriend said to me, kiss me, love me, never hurt me. I would eat that song. Man, I'm asking out. I would eat that song that kiss me, love me, never hurt me. No girl. What we used to go through in a life. Slippers waist into water. Oh, yeah. Like when we're in a fall. Anything, girl. Slippers, boat. Piece of paper, buckle, yeah, girl. Always. Love me not. Oh, remember the game? The real word is origami, I think. Oh, when it goes so. Remember that? I pick one. Yo, we were creative still, you know. And I pick one, red, yellow, blue. I pick blue, and then it open up and then, bro, you remember that? And ABC fast or slow, my guy. ABC fast or slow. It was fast, so fast, start, stop, Z. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Z. You reach Z. Yeah, Z. It was fast, so slow. Start. Stop. A. Backside. A. See, nothing. A. You just there, A. From the time. From the flipping time, is A you there? ABC fans and so was savage. Cause when me tell them my name, give me Z, and my name somebody Zelola. You can't even say Zelola no my real name. Zelola. You know Zelola, my cousin. Show me picture, I don't have one. Zelola, right. Me I take my Zelola, you know. Oh, try know that. I use a Z. I don't. Where's that come from? You say Zachariah, I'm going to spell Zachariah in high school. Zachariah, I'm say Zachariah. I'm not doing this today. I'm not doing this today. When Natia say, hey, Natia talk, you know. Yeah, and the box game where you wrote the stuff in the box and age in the middle. I don't remember that. Baby, Mo, you just joined. Mo, we discussed 1, 2, 3 red light 15 minutes ago, baby. Alright, baby. Somebody give me a hug. She just reached late bar. She reached down the party. I pack up, you know. All the DJ gone. Mo, I pack up. See the key in my hand. I let me lock the door. Mo, you late, baby. You late, baby. With the game name after everybody in a circle. Some bend down and some stand up behind the ones, and you have to run behind the other person's. Oh yeah, I head down. What that name again for true? Wink, right? Wink it name, head down, and you wink. And then you have to touch the person for the move off. Oh, triggered. So I can't even leave my man. He's gonna beat me. These games, boy. I'm saving this life. This life will help us to understand our traumas. I can't leave, and it's usually a man the back of the woman. Hey, you know, it's aggressive, the girl them. Remember, no girl can take my blood cleanse, man. Because as him shift, I could have back in my scratch. Who come with the blood cleanse, yago? There's a blood cleanse, so the bomba, yago. Someone back and scratch me. Oh. Sorry. But man, look at you now. No woman couldn't get no girl, man. But the man them ever run, the woman them ever win. Can you see what? Let me show you this stuff. It's that one move, yeah? Let me show you. It's that one movie when you go up. I am back concave, baby. You can't lick my sir. My arch out the wall of that. I'm back arch. Oh the gods. I'm not stay. I'm gonna run to our next man. Straight right there, so right through like night drone. Yeah, ringer was it nice. Ringer Mosey, I'm can't with the shoes of my nest, the girl my dead over me. Me and my girl got the world to the lock. It was to get over a siren, my God. If you learn, mention that a flash. Elephant and it's up. Tivoli, what make you want to win a river? Don't my man sick on me. God damn, this is one hell of a memory lane. Peter and Paul. Flower Peter, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. That one that Peter and Paul, right? Bull pen. Who's this? Hey, Nasush. Hey, baby. We discussed bull in a pen already. A good while now. Welcome. We have packed up. You're now knocking on a closed door. Me and my nighty, my beard, everything already, baby. We pass bull in a pen. Bull in a pen, gone. Stuck and pull. Yes. Oh God, we have a lot of latecomers. The door is closed. Who this? It's underscore more. The door is closed. It's closed. I'm looking at just the people. It locked. No, the door locked. That game that was set already. It locked, baby. It locked. Simon says, "You just reaching? You not for come go up. All on the outer door, stand up and I said, she not open the door. She not opening the door. We've been discussed those games. We've been Well, I think boy hear new things from my man to a friend. Because it's a country girl and she has a country things. But she said bike and skate. I don't know what that. Who last don't eat, wash the plate. That game who last reach a batty man that game there. Hey, me never last, you know. If once somebody ball out, who last reach a batty man, believe you me. And if you not play, the whole school lift up. When me naga there is a batty man. When naga, all the batty man them run. When not be in it, me know that. Can't trip. I'm not going to that. Who last enter batty center? Hey, me will kill you and reach in a second, you know. Me not Me is not Batty Center. Why would we do this to ourselves? Why do we do this to ourselves? We were children. We were children. Children. Ula Chicha Batty Center? No, Ula's enter Batty Center. Bye-bye. It's crazy. It's the trauma for me. It's the aggression for me. Because me, I kill it when I reach in last. Me take and fling out the door. Bro, boy, I'm done. Triggered, okay? Triggered. School is over. Guys, you can say it with me. Class for Anna, lock your eye. You not sick, I look like you're talking. Class for Anna, close your eye. School is over for today. Done our work and done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, amen. Yeah. School is over for today. Done our work and done our play. Like we don't play. Mad? I'm going to sleep me alarm. I'm going to sleep me alarm. Never done play. You mad? You mad? Yeah. Statue, no one melts you but I. Oh, statue! Statue! You try have on your blood cleanse screen, you know? All in a class, you know, people wicked, you know? Test time I go on. Statue. Your body, man. Unreason me. Yeah, after Havana Cree, a statue go well in an exam. And then Pitney was so batty manish. Them not unfeasing, them not. And then if you continue, the more thump you will get. Remember when you to flower for your birthday? That I missed, but not so much, because now on birthdays we're turning up. And what you not gonna do, I flower my 30-inch ear. What you not gonna do, I flower my clothes. Cause your mercy was see Jesus. Whoa. Your mercy want to see Jesus. Whoa. Come here, kill you. Flower. But I miss flowings. Let me sit. I miss flower for true. That was fun. That was fun. That was so much fun. And everybody just knows say birthday. It was just a whole vibe. What about Bonez? Trauma, I'm triggered. Abuse was heavy. It raised us. Are you guys aware of this? Abuse raised us. Abuse makes us what we are. I'm not even know my fix my nose ring. Abuse do it too, you know. Abuse. Just want to know that straight up. Twilly. Farmosa. From me no telephone come on. Me not from me say stress me. What is Twilly from nobody in Jamaica played Twilly except the Mandible Girl probably. Nobody else in Jamaica played Twilly. What is Twilly? Nothing them Twilly, yeah? Every game that was played was violent. Everyone. Because what we not gonna do, I lose. And if y'all win, I will make it my point of duty. So you lose. Because we not gonna lose. And walk off fights. And then the same time we make up because it's a game, but you're not gonna make me lose. You know what I mean? Right, that's all right. That's a she. Burns is trauma. You said was, baby. Burns is traumatizing. It taught us how to withstand abuse. You know, that's why even now I'm gonna get a little bit philosophical. That's why I know when we're being abused, it's just like second place. Like if I take something heavy for a bit, goddamn, my lashes look good. Naru, baby, you did that shit. Cassie, my nails, baby. Cassie, you did that. You did that. Yeah. Big girl in a grade 7 year well do just a turn hot girl and people them flower me have to midday put on the pants being full of flower. Oh God, flower, bro. What do you forget back to them flower days then? That we need to do. It's gonna piss her off. It's gonna end friendships. It's nostalgia. Do it. Flower her. I almost poked my eye out. Flower. B word is abusive. Why everybody keep on say was? B word is abusive. Right if I join B word, friendships done. Come on, go creek. Cause my friend them now get bigger, heavier, stronger, more traumatized than ever. And them I go remember take them trauma from my face. Me can't no B word. I go on the bicycle. The what? The bicycle. What? The sicycle, my ride my sicycle. God damn. Say the word I have a cree. But I not trust you. My ride my sicycle. I want egg juice. What? Egg juice. Simon I have a cree, but I not trust you. Give me an egg juice. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Give me the egg juice. Yes, say. Go floor your body center. Tishan. Why am I Tishan, come guy bed. Everybody me forgot in bed at this point in time. But be don't go sleep. The way I love course. Baby, everybody on the live here, love course. I'm not ask Chris now twice. Everybody on the live here, love course. That's what we know. Because I recognize that the people who follow me, we like I don't say aggression is like our second or first nature, but what we're not gonna do is take shit. That's what we're not gonna do. I recognize it because when I talk about my experience, I say, but Lucy, I never do this, never do that. And I say, oh, savage, come here. Here's my number. Let's talk. We're now friends, just so you know. Nope, people them who follow me, all savages. All of y'all, nobody can take for to peg. And them take for to peg, I can derate them and then validate the ratings and them will never come back on the space again. That much me sure the people that follow me. Gypsy in P. Jilly pips in P. A la pan on the po, jilly pips in P. Le piffy the poodle, the pot, the po, la pat, a la pie, a la pam, a la park, lipping, a la pop, a la po. Salapax. A for you, la poo. A pan of po, gypsy P. BP Kapaz, Gypsy P. Blow power, me pissy pill, me pemba pa, Gypsy P. Me still remember Gypsy. Gypsy, and which one is Pig Latin? If you look at the two of them, they call Pig Latin, you know? On the two of them, they call Pig Latin. The L1 and the P1 was... Oh, the P1 was Pig Latin and the L1 was Gypsy, I saw. People eat me no more on the filter. Yeah, it's true. My love, the peel of puff gypsy. And my mother, when she had the gypsy, I'm like, mommy, slow down. Even in a couple of years, me I talk, and I think Jonathan is the dream. I say, Mom, put me pee. Me piece of pay. Where pen me pee, what party peeing? Bro, even now, gypsy is like a thing. And I remember when like nobody knew gypsy, just like, yeah, your friend. Or so I thought. And we had full-on conversations. How the hell did we learn gypsy? I don't know maths. You see, priorities. If them that graduate me in a gypsy, all the way, flying colors, top tier students of the century, of the galaxy. But give me one maths problem, miss. But gypsy P, yeah. All is mine if you don't. Avania Cree! Why was this such a big thing? Cree, bro, Cree was you have to Havana Cree for everything. B word, everything. You have to Havana Cree, mama. Your food gone. You drown and drink water till you're dead. Jesus God, why would they force you to drink? Who came up with that? Who came up with water commission? That's a savage ass game. I don't give a shit. Nah. B word make you hungry. If we just drink water till for stop, I don't think you understand. We can die. We can literally die. I want you to understand that death was doing this over our shoulder. Death was there. I want you to know what they did right there, sir. No, my love. Green leaf. What was green leaf again? You have to have a green leaf. Else do something. Right? I saw. You have to have a green leaf. Else for do something. I remember. A bees a catch. When you put your hand and you bees a catch. I saw a bees a catch it name. You don't never catch it with them nails. We don't never catch a thing. If you put a bees on your car. Put a bees. You can't put a bees on my middle finger. You know it's my other nails. Here's a workaround. Catch up my phone. These are catch. Do this. Still can't work. We can't play bees a catch. I'm gonna put the bees right as well. If we can't catch it, it's unfair. I have to make it nails for you. Anti-nails. You have to make this a catch a nail for me. B word. Savage, baby, we talk about B word already. Savage, at this point, you're late, bottom. I'm asleep. So if I stop that on the door, because the party done a long time, I lock up my sleep. At this point, savage is the following morning. But be not say B word. Ever have green leaf, bitch? All of it always have green leaf. That I'm sure. If I do as I say with green leaf or that, if I not have it, Bees are go bite, yeah. You know, say bees are bite, Macaulay. Bees are bite, and bees are go bite, and bees are bite, me say. Purple touch. Baby, would be not talk about purple touch with my audience. With my audience, we don't talk about purple touch and inches. With my audience, we don't talk about purple touch and inches. Let's not get that twisted, baby. That don't discuss. Do as I say. Oh. Purple touch did a bag of people get girl. Purple touch run the entire Jamaica. I'm not ask Chris now twice. Purple touch and inches. Damien. I'm not McCree. I blame my van but McCree. Yeah, girl. Always. Guys, Sexy Sue said 1, 2, 3 red light. Tell Sexy Sue say at this point, we're upon day 3. The party happened 3 days ago. Baby, the party done a long time, baby. We've been at 1, 2, 3 light, baby. So what I talk about Jonathan and 1, 2, 3 light, baby. Baby, what's 1, 2, 3 light, baby? What's up with it already, baby? Gosh. Jesus Christ. Wanna see what she type? Wanna see what she name? Look when they Sue underscore are the has type. Why she type that? Why she type stuck it? Why she type that? But I don't know what she stuck it. I've never stripped me. Oh, I'm going to the card game. Stripped me was oh yeah. Which game that? I don't know about touch it. Stuck it. Stuck it. Stuck it. Who the hell played stuck it? Who? At what age? When they were 35? Man, how? I have so much questions. Where are your elders? Where are your guardians? Where aren't your uncle, your grandmother, where hell of the adults? Stucky ducky me no. You see about it's underscore more but stucky ducky me no. You don't know the stucky ducky. You know what you're talking about, you know? But stucky ducky. I try to replace the F with the D. Can't trick me. You know. And because you know, I got to tell you, mother. When I care what age of be, I'm going to tell your guardian, I'm going to tell your grandmother. I'm going to tell somebody in your house or all around you. I'm going to tell your boss. I'm going to call her place. Hi, may I speak? What's your name? God, I don't skip them. I forget my name right. What's your name? What's your name? Nisu. Hi, may I speak with Nisu Aridas' boss, please? Hi, sir. People again, what you younger? Yeah. G.O.D. God. Mr. God, brought me kind of green tree. That you play. Me still to this day, so God brought me kind of green tree. I'm still saying G.O.D. God. Because it's sacred. You see from you, I go say, with your cross, G.O.D. God. From you say, G.O.D. you cannot lie. You will go to hell. And if you want one green tree and it broke, it's your own fault. Because I said, God brought me kind of green tree to this day. To this day, 35-year-old woman, 2 kids. To this day, G.O.D. God. You too lie. As Jesus, G.O.D. God. I believe. I will me join this. You see this? You can't come do me this and boy, you come broke. No, you're mad. I'm vexed with you. We do this. We do this. We do this. You must be mad, man. We are seeing it through, my boy. We are seeing this through, my guy. We did it. No, we do this. It a do. Anything we agree upon, I get done. It's sacred. Those 3 things are sacred in our Jamaican culture. God brought me kind of green tree. G.O.D. God. And this. It's sacred. If you violate, you will eat 11 million years of bad luck. For your past, your ancestors, and your future children. You cannot. You just cannot. I know I'm smiling, but I'm dead ass. You can't do this to me. I do them to, and then you have to lie. You can't. I will legit not trust you. No, you can't. Jesus Christ. I might get serious, but dead ass, you cannot. You must be mad. This? And then I guess I'm going to you, then I tell lie. No, bro, you got... I gotta stop that because I'm dead serious. You cannot do that to me. You can't do that to me. Then I tell lie? No, sir. Still I tell lie and say God. What? There, hell. What? Hell? I must say mad. What happened in the game? What Chini lose? I'm afraid down, you know. Cut out the uniform packet. Oh my God. I'm gonna call Chini Lou boss. Hi, is this Chinny Lou's boss? Sir! He's a quarter pants. First of all, what you're not gonna do is that, ma'am. Why were we so horny when we were in high school? What are you wrong with we? What was wrong with us? I don't know what right now in our life. Can't even not even want no man. But in high school I did for them. That's not right. But guys, I'm gonna go. And I know you don't want me to go. I don't want to go, but my phone is dying. And my charger now work. So I have to angle my charger for make my phone charge. So it's at the bumper wall. Yeah, I did the bumper wall already, Mel. Bottom part of L. Yeah, girl. The bottom part. You have to go under L. At this point. Yeah, if I'm going to sit and touch the chamber itself. If you're mad, this one. That brother kind of green tree can't work. Cannot work. And the boy them cat nutty. Jesus. But it's true. If you look at that woman skirt and some of it all open up. God damn it. What was wrong with us? Why were we so sexual when we were so young? I know I have a bag of man problems and we don't know why. Baby, look at your childhood. Look at the games we used to play. We tampered with death. What are we doing? Yeah, we'll talk about abscotch today, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna save this live. I'm gonna save it. But I'm gonna go now, guys, because everything for me I did. My phone I did. But I'm gonna talk to you guys. I'm in way better spirits now. I tell you no help, so I appreciate that. I'm not sure no I have, but like I'm gonna save the live and I can't show no rated. Because I definitely got a bottom part of L. Can't show no. But yeah, so I'm gonna go. Bye.